So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it hover and utilize entire battery. Then I'm gonna change the battery and put another battery in. So I'm gonna bring it close to you guys, and I'm gonna do a modeling display. Just gonna go round and round so you can have a look at it. Hello and welcome to Yasa's TV, guys. I hope you all doing good and safe and happy in your lives. So this video is a little bit different video. Today I was thinking like these batteries, I don't use my drone much, so I was thinking like these batteries require lithium ion batteries, and these kind of new batteries, they require discharge and charge cycles maintained. Like if otherwise these batteries gonna degrade. Like, so if you don't charge them enough, you don't use them enough, over time they might the batteries might damage themselves. So they need to be discharged and charged. The cycles needs to go on. It's like at least 10 cycles per 6 months are must, at least, and should not be more than 100 cycles in 6 months. So it has to be balanced. So I don't use my drone much because winter, the weather is so terrible outside. So I was thinking, this is my first attempt. I'm gonna try to bring my drone up in the air indoors. This is first time I'm gonna ever attempt this. So I just hooking up, setting up. So here's my drone. So I'm gonna try to just put it in the air, inside room, indoors, and just let it hover. And so as soon as I started, because I'm not using it since long time, it was asking for some firmware updates for something, some software updates. So I done that. I never done this before, so I don't know if it's gonna work or not. It's showing green lights, but I'm not sure if it's gonna go because we have very few GPS signals here. No GPS. It says no GPS. That's not nice. Let me try to record my mobile screen as well so you guys can see it. Screen recorder. No sound. Start recording. So yeah, let me know if you know any technique how to do it indoors, because we have no GPS signal. Let me try. I'm gonna put it in cinematic smooth mode. Oh, it's letting me take off even though there is no GPS. Oh yeah. We got it. We got it. So we conclude that even though you have no GPS, you can take off. That's nice. It's hovering. Let me bring it close to you guys. So now you can see it's hovering. DJI drones are best, man. DJI drones are the best. You know why? Look at the stability. They are like sharp, straight. No movement, like you can trust them like for their stability. Let's bring it back slowly, slowly. Oh wow. So we're doing this just for the sake of discharging the battery and then charging it again. And we basically want to use all the batteries. I'm gonna do this with all the batteries. I'm gonna fully discharge them indoor, obviously. And here we are. Now this is the feed directly coming from MAVIC Mini. This is the MAVIC Mini. Hello. And right now we have about, let's see how many bars we have. Wow, that's fast. We right now have 2 bars. We right now have 2 full bars and third one is blinking. In this battery, I still have 2 more batteries which I need to do some experiments. So this MAVIC Mini Original or MAVIC Mini 1 has 2 sensors in the bottom. Never checked it, never got chance to check them. Let's check it. Oh wow, yeah. They work. So I'm gonna bring it close to you guys. And I'm gonna do a modeling display. Just gonna go round and round so you can have a look at it. And if you wanna look at this drone from the top side, from this side, look at it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna do, now we have two full bars. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it hover and utilize entire battery. Then I'm gonna change the battery and put another battery in and do this to complete my discharging of these batteries. And then I'm gonna charge them and keep them healthy and ready for the summer. Hopefully better summer, better days are coming. So just a short video. Stay safe, enjoy yourself, see you in the next one. Bye bye.